Hello everyone, this is Saram Tadepalli. Welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video, we are going to discuss about a website called LinkedIn. So, as you are a technocrat and you need to grow your environment, that means you want to create a group of people, like-minded people, then LinkedIn is the best choice for you. So, in this video, I'm going to discuss about what are the uses of LinkedIn and also what are the procedures you need to follow to create a perfect profile in LinkedIn. And what are the basic advantages of LinkedIn? First thing here is it is easy to use, and also we have a plenty number of resources to learn and implement, and certification programs and job opportunities, and also the great community pleasure. So all these things are different advantages of LinkedIn, and we are going to discuss about the procedure we need to follow to create a perfect account, and how to create your headline, how to assign some links regarding your website. If you have a professional website, a personal website, how to link that one, how to give your job description, and all those things we are going to discuss in this video. So please do watch this video completely so that it will be very much helpful for you. Specific web page so that you can get latest updates regarding any kind of blogs and technology updates. So now let's click on this jobs. The best part in LinkedIn is you can click on jobs and you can search for the job positions which are suitable according to your requirement. But before going for job, so click on this symbol and you need to create your own profile. For that purpose, click on this username, your username, and it will ask for profile picture and banner, and here you need to update your things like heading, header, and current working company and details. And you need to create few things like what are the different activities you are involved, and work experiences like this, education. For example, I completed my bachelor's from Yale University with the cloud computing as the major course in my master's. Now you can see my bachelor's degree and also my MPC, that means intermediate, like that. And things, certification things which I completed recently or previous. So you can see introduction to data science by IBM, machine learning with R, that is IBM, Hadoop, Spark, developer from simply learn, like this different certificates I completed. So you can add your certification programs in this LinkedIn profile so that any connection request will be based on this kind of updates according to your profile. So if they prefer you as suitable profile, then they will send a connection request to you. So, and what are the different recommendations here, and what are the different projects you have done, you need to update here. So click on this drop down, a, a bar like this, so you can update your projects. So I updated 6 different projects which I have done, and organizations. So previously what are the different organizations I worked for, and languages I know, and course. Even here I can add one more course. So if you want to edit, you can edit, otherwise I can add one more course. So like this. And test score, so I completed e-litmus. So according to my perspective, e-litmus is one of the best platform where you can get opportunity to crack different aptitude, reasoning, and verbal examinations, and you can test your skill set on those three concepts. I will be doing a video on e-litmus later. And here you can update your interests. So first of all, so let's click on this one so that you can update your heading. For example, my heading is data scientist at Codegan IT Solutions, co-founder, managing director, CTO at Maheraa Groups. For example, I want to modify this one. So like professional data science trainer at Codegan IT Solutions. And I want to add one more thing, like the same thing, like managing director, CTO co-founder, Maheraa Groups. So you can add like this. And your current position is data scientist at Codegan IT Solutions, and your alumni, that means recently I completed, in last year I completed my master's program from Simplilearn, that is masters in data science. So I'm mentioning my latest education like that. And you can give your personal information like your country, location, and industry which you are working with, and click on save. So if it is updated daily, then it will be a highly viewed profile. It will be a highly viewed profile for recruiters. For example, you updated your profile every day, morning 9 o'clock, then after starting the corporate work hours, then your profile will be the highest viewed and also the top recommended profile for recruiters. Like that it will be there. Now coming to about. So in this about, you need to mention your expertise. For example, senior data scientist, AI engineer, cloud solutions architect, computer vision developer, specialized in deep learning methodologies. All these things are summary key elements to my profile. So I want to change few things now. So professional data science trainer, AWS solutions architect, professional blogger, and you can do grammarly things also, and professional blogger, and also professional research article writer, content developer. Like this you can update your profile and click on save. So this is some small summary regarding your profile. Now what are the features available? For example, I created a data visualization bootcamp, free bootcamp in my YouTube channel. You can check out that one. And what are the different key accomplishments available? I uploaded my resume, I screenshot of my resume, my previous resume, and these are the different activities. So few of my students done certification programs from Codegan IT Solutions regarding machine learning and deep learning. So they tagged me in their certification course like this. So it will show the activities which I was tagged, which I was involved. And now you can see work experience. So currently I'm working as a data scientist and also managing director for Maheraa Groups, and a chief executive officer at Tech and Life. So Tech and Life is my YouTube channel. I want to convert that to a corporate company soon, and currently I'm working as a data scientist in Codegan and also a managing director and a CTO for Maheraa Groups. So this is my dream company. So I started it in this April. Now education, you can add your education like this. You can click on this plus symbol and you can update your things here. If you have any uh, multimedia like video or certificate photo of your education, so you can upload that also. And you can make it as a notify network. That means if you update anything, your complete network will get to know about your educational background update, or otherwise your work experience update. Like this you can work on. And also certifications. Recently I completed this Microsoft certified Azure AI fundamentals. So this one is from Microsoft, so it has the credentials like this. And if you want to verify, you can click on this see credentials and it will navigate to this Credly account, so that you can see the badge and all those things. So I got badge and you can see Tarepalli Sairam. Like this it will work. So now you can see different types of features available in this LinkedIn platform, on this LinkedIn platform, and click on jobs for a while. In these jobs, you can search for different job positions according to your requirement. For example, you want to search for AI and machine learning or artificial intelligence consultant. So let me do one thing. Click on this one, Sutherland, machine learning engineer. If you want to apply, you can directly apply here if you have easy apply option. Otherwise you need to navigate to the website of Sutherland Global. Let's check for easy apply things. So tag will be there, easy apply. So previously I have seen somewhere in this job portions also, easy apply. You can click on that easy apply, and those jobs will be, yes, this one. So easy apply means you can apply here itself according to your LinkedIn profile. They will try to shortlist you. So these are the details of mine. So this is the latest resume uploaded. So click on next. So how many years of experience you have in machine learning? 4 years. How many years of experience do you have in artificial? 4 years. So 4 years. So click on review, and click on submit application. Like this you can do. And the best part here is the quiz. That means according to your application, it will suggest you a preparation test. So it will take less than 15 minutes. 15 different questions will be there according to your domain. It will increase or decrease the questions and also complexity. Nearly 15 minutes duration will be there, and you need to take that assessment test. If you crack that assessment test, then it will be okay. If you are not qualifying person in that entire applicants, then it will give a 12 hours free online LinkedIn course according to that subject. For example, machine learning AI, regarding that subject, it will give one course that will be free for next 12 hours. So this is the procedure you need to go through while applying any sort of jobs. Now let's do click about these notifications. So these are the different notifications of your account. That means Dr. Tirupati Reddy sir, he is my master's faculty person. He liked my certificate badge, and these are the different notifications which I involved. And you can check what are the things, related things according to your requirement, and you can respond to those notifications. And this is the use of LinkedIn profile, and I strongly suggest you to create an account in this LinkedIn so that it will be helpful for you. And if you can see here, you can get the total profile views for last 90 days like this. So since last 90 days, my profile viewers are 118% higher than last week. So totally 272 profile views are there for me, and it's going on. So like this it will be happening in LinkedIn. So you can grow up your community, and it will be a best part for your career. So I hope you got clear understanding on how this LinkedIn will work. So I hope you will create an account after this video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you love this video, and please do share. If this information is useful, if you feel like that, then share with your friends and family, so that ask them to create a LinkedIn account, then it will be helpful for them too. So if you like this video, please like the video, share the video, and please post your comments, post your views in the comment section, so that it will be helpful for us to create beautiful content. And thanks for watching this video.